Hi, my name is Matt Smith. I'm an attorney at Wiggin and Dana, and today I'm going to talk about the life insurance trust. Very simple and very common estate planning technique. Why is it common? Well, because it's very effective at minimizing the exposure of your estate to estate tax. Let me explain how it works. Let's say that I have a $5 million life insurance policy and I have $10 million in other assets. Then on my death, my taxable estate is $15 million. Now, if I have a life insurance trust and I move my $5 million policy into that trust, the result is very different. That policy is entirely outside my estate and my taxable estate is only $10 million. Now, depending on where I live and the size of my other assets, that could mean that I save up to 50% of the value of that life insurance policy for my beneficiaries, maybe my spouse, maybe my descendants, but it won't be passing to the government because it will be entirely outside my taxable estate. Now, how do I take advantage of this simple planning technique? Well, it's easiest if you have a life insurance trust in place before you purchase a life insurance policy. In that case, the trustee of your trust will actually be the purchaser of the policy, and the policy will never be part of your taxable estate. So that entire $5 million in our example will be outside of your taxable estate. Now, what happens if I have an existing life insurance policy? Well, if you have an existing life insurance policy, what you would do is create a new life insurance trust. You'd fill out some basic paperwork to transfer title to that policy into the trust. And the only wrinkle here is that you must survive 3 years from the date of transfer for the assets to be totally outside your taxable estate. Now, some clients will ask us, are there non-tax reasons for setting up a life insurance trust? And the answer is yes. There are non-tax reasons, and for certain clients, those non-tax reasons are actually the primary reasons for setting up a life insurance trust. To summarize, the life insurance trust is a very common and very effective estate planning technique that offers both tax and non-tax advantages. If you have any questions about setting up a life insurance trust, please don't hesitate to contact us.